Hello friends, in this short and basic video today I'm going to show you how to tally a column of data with specific text in Excel. So guys, if you are using Microsoft Office and any version of Office, you can apply this formula. So to tally a column, you have to use this formula equal sign and count if, and select it. Now select range. Make sure you select range properly. If not select properly, so remove this all and you can type your data range. In my case, B colon B12. Now comma, space, quotation mark, and type your text. So make sure quotation mark and space bar and type your text and press enter. Now just drag and drop and double click and make changes as your text. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.